So we're here at KSAM Farm and want to find out what products are they having and at how much.
Thank you very much. So these are some of our products we have at KSAM Farm. Firstly, we have the pumpkin seed. This goes for an acre. The packet is at 80,000. And this goes for half an acre at 40,000. So this is the part of the value addition from the pumpkins. This is the pumpkin porridge, pumpkin at 10,000. And this also at 10,000. So next we have the pumpkin leaf, esunsa. So wherever you can add in your soup, binyewa soup. Next we have the okra, the ginger. This is also okra. This is kamlali, red pepper. The tin of okra is at 5,000. This ginger is at 3,000. And okra small is also at 3,000. So we also have the pumpkins there. We grow at KSAM Farm. Purely organic. Yeah. So here we also do BSF farming. The BSF farming with mainly for poultry farmers. So these now as they are at the larva stage. You can feed the poultry at this stage, or you can go to the step of frying and then you dry, then you add in the poultry feed. So this is chili and this is coffee ready to plant, and this is coffee ready to be eaten. Yeah. And this is the wild tomato. Mostly don't know it, but it is a tomato. You can eat it when it is fresh and also add in your sauce. You can first peel off this. You peel off the outer thing and then you add to your sauce, or you can also get juice out of it. The juice cleanses the body. This is a fertilizer made out of bones of animals and chicken. So when applying, you mainly bananas and coffee, you dig a small hole around the coffee plant, then you pour a handful, then after you cover. So this is the chinzali, the turmeric. Now this is the supergrass. For farmers, livestock, you can have this. It grows every after a week. You can slash and give it to your animals, pigs, goats, and cows, etc. Yeah, and there down have the seedlings of coffee and nkangawuzi, then bananas, banana sticks, etc. We have many things at KSAM Farm. Come and visit us, Chizigo Village. Thank you.